Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to Sandhana's Kitchen. Today I'm here again and I'm going to show you how you can easily bake or fry the potato in your oven with simple ingredients. Like you can just need oil. That's it. Let's start the video. Hope you're going to like my video and don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. Bear in mind, you have to make it thin slice like this. Not too thick and not too thin. Now you can see I have finished slicing the potatoes. So it looks like this. Now I'm going to add oil. I will say 2 to 3 tablespoons oil. Then I'm adding a chili powder. You don't have to add chili powder. This is optional. But I like spicy, that's why I'm adding chili powder here. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of chili powder. So mix well. Do not add salt while you mixing up because salt going to make this potato soggy. So I will advise not to add salt when you're baking the potato. Now it's been fully mixed. I'm transferring it to the oven tray. So I have already turned on the oven. So I put on the big fan. Then I'm going to set up. I'm going to put a timer for like 25 minutes. And then it's going to be 200° Fahrenheit. So oven light is not ready yet. You can see. So once the light will turn off, I'm going to put the potatoes inside. So guys, the light is turned off. Now I'm going to put the potatoes inside. Try to place it on the middle one so it will get hot. Then I'm adding a timer of exact 25 minutes. Let it bake. 3 minutes left, guys. So we're ready in 3 minutes. Guys, it is ready. Now I'm turning off the oven. Now I'm going to take out the potato. Take a look, guys. The potatoes, the fries is ready. So guys, my fries is ready. It's really healthy. It's not too deep fried and it is really easy to bake as well. So I hope you like my video and I hope you're going to try this recipe at home. And now you can add salt at the end. So I'm going to do it later, guys.